everyone. My name is Duru, and I am here in my village in Imo State, Nigeria, and we're celebrating my older brother's Iwa Akwa, which is a wearing cloth ceremony, which basically represents his coming of age. So we're celebrating that today. He is now a man, okay? So I'm so excited. This is my first time really seeing him do a big celebration, and the whole family is involved. So it's been a process getting here, but we are here today. Today's the deep day, and we're having a blast.
Chief Abadangele. Tag I na-eme ihe Iwa Akwa. Wo ihe na-eme ime oge itoru n'obodo iwu nwoke. Soro na-atọ ụtụ na-enye ọda. And Kelechi na-eme ihe n'ụwụ the first grandson Nzantori Duru nwunye ya mụtara. Ke nna ya bụ first son omeneke years ago. Then Kelechi wa first son omeneke today. I na-eji enweghị any particular cloth, but a na-enwe akwa, special akwa a na-eji eme ya, a na-eji akwa efe, but ọ bụ ya emecha ewere ekwe efe. A ga-eji onye ha gaa ahịa gbaa ya osi n'ori agụ ya hacha everywhere. Ụmụnwa ahụ ya so toruo ole.
I mean, now I have to call him Dad, Dad, like he's the older brother. But fun fact, I've actually been calling him that since I was young, so that's why I say nothing much will change. But he's now a man, so I have to respect him, and we'll be expecting a wife soon. Yeah.
Man, deep in my heart, I have survived so many things, but to be alive today, to witness this is the greatest thing that ever happened to me. That is the basis of my answer for you. And I can see your heart where you're looking at. But I'm a mother today. I can't stay away from the corridors of God.
Of course, I reside in the States, in New York. But today, we're here in Nigeria for my Iwa Akwa, coming of age ceremony, which means I'm now transitioning into manhood. So for the past 4 days, I've been going through a whole bunch of processes with a bunch of my age grade, so that we can make this transition properly. And this morning was the last of it. You know, they roll you on the floor, they pour water, sand, all these things. But today, after today now, the process is complete. And according to tradition, I'm officially a man. So it's very important for me to come here as the first son of the entire family, you know, the first son of my dad, and the first grandson or grandchild to my grandparents, my late grandparents. So it's a big deal. That's why we had to do it the way we did it. But I want to thank everybody for coming. Thank you for everything, you know, and may God continue to bless you all. Thank you.
I definitely would love for I have a younger brother, so he's more Americanized, so it will be very interesting when it's his turn to do this ceremony. But I think he'll be interested, and I would love to keep this tradition up for, you know, our future generations to come. That would be the best. I mean, my dad has built this house, and this place is our home, so I would hope to see, you know, future generations continue the tradition for sure.